In this video tutorial we are going to take a look at how to install Wordfence security plugin, step by step. So let's get started. So from your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins and select Add New. Then search for Wordfence. The first one is what we are looking, which is by Wordfence and 4 million plus active installations. Let's install it and then activate it. So now you have successfully installed it. Enter your email address and check this box to agree with their terms and conditions and click on Continue button. Close this now. Now go to Wordfence and select Dashboard from here. Right now its installation is incomplete. Click on this Resume Installation button and then enter your email address to receive security alerts from Wordfence. Then check this box to accept their terms and conditions. After that, select Yes from here and click on Continue button. Now they ask you to activate Premium. You can upgrade it from here or click on No Thanks. So now we have free support and also Premium option. Then we have all Wordfence Central options, Dashboard and Firewall options. Now select Dashboard from Wordfence. So this is your dashboard. Click on Next. Then again Next and then got it. Here we have Wordfence protection activated. In Scan we have 60% security issue. Click on Manage Scan. Here you have scan type, malware signatures, and reputation clicks. Below we can see that it's standard scan, which is recommended for all websites. Then we have general options. Here these three are in premium version and the rest have been scanned with free plan. Then click on performance options. Inside we have more settings and then advanced scan options. On top, we have scan scheduling. You can disable or enable scan from here or let Wordfence choose when to scan your site. Then go to Tools from Wordfence. Here we have Live Traffic. Click on Got It. Then we have Whois Lookup, Import/Export options, Diagnostics. Then go to Login Security and from here you can enable Auto Update. Click on this Yes, Enable Auto Update link. Then click on Next button, again Next and finally click on Done. Now go to Two-Factor Authentication. Here also you can scan the code or enter key. Then we have Settings. From here we can enable 2FA for these roles. Admin is selected for this. Then we have more settings options. You can also enable reCAPTCHA from here as well. Now go back to Dashboard and this is how you can install and set up Wordfence security plugin. Thank you for watching.
Struggling with WordPress? WP Learning 101 is your solution. Our free training is perfect for WordPress beginners. Click the link below to join WPLearning101.com and start mastering WordPress today.